Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the classic memory game. This engaging game challenges your recall and observation skills. The primary objective is to find and collect the most matching pairs of cards. You'll typically play with a deck of cards, often 24 or 36, laid out in a neat grid. Each turn offers a chance to uncover 2 cards, hoping they form a pair. It's a simple concept with endless fun for all ages. Setting up your memory game is quick and easy. First, thoroughly shuffle all the cards to ensure a random distribution. Then, lay them out face down in an organized grid. A common setup might be 4 rows by 6 columns, or perhaps 5 rows by 8 columns, depending on the number of cards. Once the grid is ready, decide who starts. Often, the youngest player takes the first turn, adding a fun, traditional element to the beginning of the game. During your turn, you will flip over 2 cards, one at a time, revealing their images. If the 2 cards you've chosen display identical images, congratulations, you've found a match. You then collect this pair and set them aside, earning yourself an extra turn. However, if the cards do not match, you must flip them back face down in their original positions, trying to remember what they were for future turns. To excel at the memory game, focus on remembering the location of each card you see. This is crucial for making successful matches on subsequent turns. Also, pay close attention when other players flip cards, as this provides valuable information about card positions. The game continues until all pairs have been found. The player who has collected the highest number of matching pairs at the end of the game is declared the winner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.